Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a lobby. First, begin by defining the lobby's purpose. Is it for a corporate office, a hotel, or a residential building? Understanding your target audience, whether it's business professionals or families, will guide your design choices. Next, assess your available space, perhaps a generous 500 square feet, and set a realistic budget for all elements, from furniture to lighting. Once your planning is complete, focus on optimizing the layout and flow. Divide your lobby into distinct zones: a welcoming reception area, a comfortable waiting space, and clear circulation paths. The reception desk should be prominently placed, offering a clear line of sight to the entrance and seating. Ensure pathways are at least 3 feet wide for easy movement, and provide ample, comfortable seating for at least 6 to 8 guests. Now, let's delve into the design elements and aesthetics that bring your lobby to life. Choose a cohesive color palette, perhaps 3 to 5 primary colors, and select materials that are both durable and visually appealing, like natural wood or stone. Integrate a layered lighting scheme, combining ambient, task, and accent lighting. Finally, personalize the space with artwork, live plants, and subtle branding to create a memorable first impression. Our final slide focuses on functionality and long-term maintenance. Ensure your lobby includes practical features like easily accessible power outlets and charging stations for guests. Incorporate sound-absorbing materials, such as acoustic panels or carpeting, to reduce noise levels by up to 20%. Design for easy cleaning and durability, selecting finishes that withstand daily wear and tear. Also, consider integrating security cameras and access control for enhanced safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.